Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Flyniza token. Ticker symbol is FLY. Now yesterday I posted a video talking about the baby Niza token. That token just got a very big central exchange listing today. If you haven't seen that video, check that one out. The original coin here is called the Nizacoin. And then they came out with the baby Nizacoin, and then now we have Flyniza. And this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Flyniza. Flyniza is all about fun in the world of crypto. While other tokens focus on utility, Flyniza focuses on bringing laughter, excitement, and a fresh sense of freedom to the space. Built on the BNB chain, it's a meme coin designed for those who want to enjoy the ride without the pressure of complex promises. Now, this token just got a very big central exchange listing announcement pop up today. It says this token will be available tomorrow, April 12th, 7 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section tomorrow and search FLY, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today is a Kickstarter event for this project where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT for this Kickstarter event for this project. So check that out today. Check out the full listing tomorrow. And then just today, the baby Niza token got listed on Mexc as well. So all sorts of big listings going on. Check out my new video on pause. I just uploaded a video on the Kabosu token, which is a short, talking about the BNB Kabosu token being listed today. There's another one called 426.9 coin. That one got listed on Mexc today. So there's tons of huge listings on Mexc that are happening today and tomorrow. So check out all those videos on the channel. Flyniza has their own specific web page. So their normal Twitter here is Nizacoin right there. You could see in their they just reposted 6 hours ago the Mexc Global listing on there. So you'll be able to find that easily on the Twitter. And then also they talked about the baby Nizacoin on this Twitter right here. So this is where you're going to find all the info on Flyniza, baby Niza, Nizacoin, the Niza app. All the info and links are going to be on this Twitter right here at Nizacoin on X. But besides that, this project has its own webpage, white paper. Flyniza.com is where you're going to find all the info on this project specifically. So it says Flyniza is a next generation meme coin built on the BNB chain, merging creativity, community, and utility. Unlike traditional meme coins, Flyniza goes beyond entertainment by introducing a long-term sustainability and real-world applications. Now, they have a white paper that outlines the vision, mission, tokenomics, roadmap, strategic plans, growth, and expansion. Their goal is to establish Flyniza as the leading meme coin ecosystem in the crypto space, driven by the engagement of a passionate community. Now, according to their BSC scan, there's 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, it says, in recent years, the cryptocurrency space has witnessed the rise of meme coins, which have captured the imagination of crypto enthusiasts from around the world. Flyniza enters the scene with a distinct vision to redefine the meme coin space by integrating entertainment, innovation, and utility. Built on the BNB chain, Flyniza is designed to empower the community, provide utility, and create long-term value for its holders. Flyniza represents limitless potential, leveraging the strengths of blockchain technology to offer a secure, fast, and transparent way for users to participate in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The tokenomics, development roadmap, and community-driven initiatives outlined showcase the commitment to creating a sustainable and impactful project. Flyniza aims to become the most innovative and community-driven meme coin in the cryptocurrency market. By integrating real-world utility with meme coin culture, we plan to provide value to holders, drive ecosystem growth, and establish a global brand. Our mission is to create a meme coin that is more than just fun. It's an investment in community innovation and long-term sustainability. Flyniza is designed to engage users through exclusive rewards, interactive campaigns, and partnerships with leading influencers and brands. By building a strong ecosystem around Flyniza, we aim to provide real utility and drive continuous growth. The total supply is 1 billion tokens, ensuring that the token remains limited, creating scarcity and potential value for holders. The supply is distributed to promote liquidity, growth, and community rewards. Now, phase 1 of the roadmap is the official website launch, then social media establishment, building a strong, engaged community. Phase 2 is listing on prominent exchanges, community-focused events and campaigns, strategic partnerships and collaborations. And phase 3 is ongoing community engagement, development, introduction of exclusive features and benefits for holders, collaborative ventures, and leading brands and influencers. So check out this token here. Also being listed tomorrow on Mexc is a big project called Scarcity, the Scarcity token. So check out my video on Scarcity. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about Flyniza? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.